Good evening, you're watching Such Star Reality with me, Nana Sareen. From regional to national updates, we bring you the top 10 stories making headlines today. Have a look. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma inaugurates Lokapria Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport's modernized terminal, enhancing passenger convenience with expanded lanes, DG Yatra gates and upgraded security. The facelift also includes aesthetic improvements, lush gardens and world-class amenities. Since 2014, 1,824 kilometers of new railway tracks have been added, outpacing Sri Lanka's total network, with Rs 10,440 crore allocated for 2025-26 and Rs 74,972 crore worth of projects underway. Northeast is witnessing an infrastructure boost. 50 stations in Assam to gate world-class upgrades under the Amrit Bharat scheme. Alina Rabha secured bronze in the 56 kg Wushu category at the 38 National Games, bringing pride to Boku Kamru. Felicitated by multiple organizations, she was lauded for her resilience despite financial struggles. Her parents and coach were also praised for their support. Financial aid of Rs 20,000 was announced to boost her sporting career. Voting for all 70 Delhi Assembly seats began this morning under strict security. Over 1.56 crore voters, including 2.39 lakh first-time voters, will decide the fate of key candidates, including Arvind Kejriwal, Parvez Verma and Sandeep Dixit. The Election Commission has introduced AI-based queue management, disability-friendly booths and women-led polling stations to ensure smooth voting. With BJP pushing to reclaim power and Aam Aadmi Party eyeing a third term, all eyes are on voter turnout and key battlegrounds. Shantanu Naidu, known for his close bond with the late Ratan Tata, have been elevated to General Manager and Head of Strategic Initiatives at Tata Motors after 6 years at Tata Sons. Sharing the update on LinkedIn, the 32-year-old expressed excitement for his new role. 4 private schools in Noida, step by step, the Heritage, Gyanashri and Mayur received bomb threats via email, triggering panic. No explosives were found, but students were evacuated as a precaution. Noida Police, Fire Brigade and bomb squad teams conducted thorough searches to ensure safety. Investigations are underway to trace the source of the threats. A US plane carrying 205 deported Indians landed in Amritsar, Punjab, amid a crackdown on illegal immigrants under President Donald Trump's administration. The move follows intensified law enforcement action since Trump took office last month. In a surprising statement, US President Donald Trump announced that the US would take control of the war-torn Gaza Strip after relocating Palestinians elsewhere. Speaking alongside Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Trump emphasized a long-term US ownership of Gaza, vowing to develop the region under American administration. US President Donald Trump declared that he has instructed his advisors to obliterate Iran if Tehran attempts to assassinate him. Speaking while signing an executive order for maximum pressure on Iran, he warned, if they do it, they get obliterated. There won't be anything left. Afghanistan spin maestro Rashid Khan surpassed West Indies legend Dwayne Bravo to become the leading wicket-taker in T20 history. He achieved this milestone during MI Cape Town's Qualifier 1 clash against Pearl Royals in the SC20 League.